Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I wanted to show you guys how to make a fire with our char cloth that we made and a magnifying glass. So let's get started. So first off, this is just a magnifying glass that is pocket size. It's like a pocket reader, 3x zoom. It'll fit in your wallet, it'll fit in your pocket. It's a great little survival magnifying glass because it doesn't take up much space, as you can see. Magnifying glass. And we've got our bird's nest. Okay. We've got our char cloth that we made in the last video. If you guys haven't seen that yet, go check that out. So all we're going to do here is we're going to get our bird's nest. Okay. Put a little divot in there, somewhere where we can put our char cloth. Okay. Put our char cloth right there, right in our bird's nest. If you guys can see that. Okay. Now we're going to find the sun. Now the peak time to do this is when it is anywhere from 11 o'clock to 3 o'clock during the day. So all we're going to do is take our magnifying glass and focus the beam of light on here just like you would an ant with a magnifying glass. And then we're going to blow it out to a fire. And it's that easy, guys. You guys see that? And that is how you use a magnifying glass and char cloth to make a fire.